Welcome back to the channel, game lovers. If you're looking to turn an ordinary night into an unforgettable one, then this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 board games that will level up your next game night, whether you're with friends, family, or your favorite snack pile. From strategy classics to laugh-out-loud party games, we've got something for every kind of player. So grab your dice, shuffle those cards, and let's dive in. All the games we mentioned are linked in the description below. Check them out and get ready to bring the fun home. Top 5 board games. 5. Monopoly 2 to 6. Experience the thrill of fast-dealing property trading with the classic Monopoly board game, a timeless favorite for family game night. Perfect for players ages 8 and up, Monopoly invites families and friends to buy, sell, and trade their way to wealth as they build empires, charge rent, and outsmart the competition. Grow your fortune by adding houses and hotels to your properties, and watch opponents squirm as they land on your spaces. Cha-ching! Choose from 8 iconic tokens, including the top hat, race car, rubber ducky, and more. With endless strategy and fun, Monopoly is the ultimate indoor game and a great gift for kids and families alike. 4. Sorry, Kids board game. Game of sweet revenge. Get ready for fast-paced classic fun with the Sorry board game, the ultimate race to get all 3 pawns home first. But be warned, it's not just about luck and speed. With every card drawn, you could slide forward, collide with opponents, or send their pawns all the way back to start. Sweet revenge. This timeless game offers endless excitement and strategic surprises that make each round different. Perfect for family game nights, Sorry brings generations together with its nostalgic gameplay and easy-to-learn rules. A great gift for kids ages 6 and up, this game guarantees laughter, competition, and hours of indoor entertainment for boys and girls alike. 3. Hasbro Gaming Candyland Kingdom. Classic beginner game. Do you remember playing Candyland when you were a kid? Now it's time to introduce a new generation to this timeless, sweet adventure. Race to the castle. With colorful paths and delightful surprises, players guide their adorable gingerbread pawn through candy-themed destinations on a fun-filled journey to the castle. No reading required to play. Designed for kids ages 3 and up, this game is perfect for little ones who haven't learned to read yet, using simple colored cards to move along the board. Great game for little ones. With its bright illustrations, charming characters, and easy gameplay, Candyland remains a favorite first board game that brings joy to every young player. 2. CGE Czech Games. Race against the clock in this fast-paced party game, where 2 teams compete to contact all of their secret agents first. Perfect for game nights, this thrilling experience blends teamwork, quick thinking, and high-energy fun. With support for 2 to 8+ players, it's ideal for small groups or larger gatherings. Each round lasts just 15 minutes, making it easy to play multiple games in one night. Designed for ages 10 and up, it's a great way to bring friends and family together for an unforgettable challenge. 1. Jenga game. Experience the timeless thrill of the original wood block game, Jenga. Dare to risk it as you carefully pull out a block and stack it on top without letting the tower crash. Perfect for both kids and adults, this classic balancing game delivers fast-paced, edge-of-your-seat fun, anytime, anywhere. Whether it's a family game night, birthday party, or just a spontaneous gathering, Jenga adds excitement, laughter, and suspense with every move. Crafted from genuine hardwood, the set includes 54 precision-made blocks and a stacking sleeve to help get the game started. Play solo to sharpen your skills or challenge friends to see who has the steadiest hand. A great gift for kids ages 6 and up, Jenga is a must-have for every game collection. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 board games for an epic game night. Whether you're into strategy, laughs, or fast-paced fun, there's something on this list for everyone. If any of these games caught your eye, I've linked them all in the description below, so be sure to check those out and maybe grab one or all 5 for your next game night. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more game night tips and reviews, and drop a comment letting me know your favorite board game, or one we should try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.